Creating winged eyeliner can be tricky, but with practice and the right technique, you can achieve a sharp and defined look. Here are some tips for winged eyeliner. Choose the right eyeliner. Use a gel or liquid eyeliner with a fine, precise tip for easier application. These formulas generally provide more control and precision compared to pencil liners. Start with a guideline. Use a small angled brush or a piece of tape to create a guideline for your wing. Angle the brush or tape from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow to determine the angle of your wing. Draw the wing. Start by drawing a thin line extending from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow. This will be the base of your wing. Keep the line as thin as possible initially. Connect to the upper lash line. Draw a line from the tip of the wing back towards the center of your upper lash line. This will create a triangle shape. Fill in the triangle carefully to complete the wing. Refine and perfect. Once you have the basic shape, refine and perfect the wing by making any necessary adjustments. Use small, short strokes to build up the thickness of the wing gradually. Match both eyes. Ensure that both wings are symmetrical by checking in the mirror frequently. Make any adjustments as needed to achieve balance between both eyes. Clean up mistakes. Use a pointed cotton swab or a small brush dipped in makeup remover to clean up any mistakes or smudges around the winged area. Set with powder or eyeshadow. To prevent smudging throughout the day, lightly dust translucent powder or a matching eyeshadow over the eyeliner to set it in place. Practice makes perfect. Winged eyeliner can be challenging at first, so practice regularly to improve your technique and achieve the desired look. By following these tips and practicing consistently, you'll be able to create beautiful and precise winged eyeliner that complements your eye shape and enhances your overall makeup look. Subscribe to this channel for more makeup tips.